Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, as we promised, we are going to differentiate between Java and Node.js. So we'll just check which one is a better, which one we should use. So let's start the video. So if you can see, okay. So at the moment, if you see Node.js and Java are the two most powerful technologies for your backend development. Okay, if you see Netflix, right, it was designed its backend in Java, but now it has switched to Node.js. Okay, so today we'll just learn in the video why and how Java retains its relevance in modern time like this, and what makes Node.js more scalable. Okay, so just because Netflix shifted to Node.js from Java, it should be clear that the former can outrun the latter. But in which cases and which area we just learn. Okay, so Java, is class-based programming language, right? It allows a different sort of programming, which is known as object-oriented programming. And Node.js is basically a JavaScript programming language. So with JavaScript and several libraries, it's allow you to development a particular project. Okay, so the core component is there within the JavaScript library. So suitability for the development. So Java is a famous programming language with the help of the development of multiple application. Majorly, you can use Java in Android application. It's a big data and huge data calculation. All those applications you use Java. But Node.js, as you all know, it's a single-threaded. So basically, it is ideal for non-blocking and event trigger servers. It used generally in developing dynamic websites, backend APIs, like that. So the app architecture, okay. So nowadays developer usually prefer using the MVC pattern. So MVC is your model view controller pattern to create apps in Java, as model represents the objects in the programming language. Okay. So if you know about the design pattern, so it also matches the internal architecture of Java. Okay. So Java also promotes your ease of code maintenance. So the code maintenance is easy and the app testing is hassle free. Okay, but if you go to Node.js, so Node.js basically use the architecture of a single threaded event loop. Okay, it enables Node.js to handle several requests at the same time without affecting the performance. So using your event loop, it and it actually handles several requests at the parallel time and without affecting its performance. Okay. So if you go to performance, okay, so Java, it's written general the programs are written in bytecode. Okay, so this allows Java to work faster and better than every other conventional programming languages. Okay, so in VMs also virtual machine, it can interpret your bytecode instruction and deliver much more efficient app within shortest period. Node.js also, if you see, it is single-threaded and asynchronous, and it is non-blocking functionality of from JavaScript. So as a result, what happens? It create an appropriate environment for small tasks in your let's say in your app. There are small tasks to be done without affecting your primary app thread. So it will not affect your primary app performance or whatever is happening in the primary app, but in the background it will do your smallest task. So the performance will not hamper. And also additionally the V8 engine, right, for of Google, that also, and the multitasking capabilities of Node.js also contribute to its performance. Okay, so now the real verdict. So which one is better? Which one you should use in your project before, thinking about the design and architecture of your project, what technology you should use. So let's say if your project have all these pointers, then you should use Node.js. Okay, first you are creating a content stream web app. Okay, just like Netflix or any other streaming app. So in that case, you should use Node.js. Otherwise, if you are building a high performance SPA, so SPA is single page application. Uh, if you want to create an web app which is enriched with powerful data processing abilities, in that case also you should use Node.js. And also if you want to create a game application which will run on web browser, you should use Node.js. So in case Java you want to use, you should consider this application. While developing this application, you should consider Java as it language. So let's say you want to create an enterprise level apps. Okay, in that case, you should consider Java, not Node.js. You want your app to be more scalable, fully scalable. So in that case, also Java. And if you want, okay, Java is, I mean, it is fully mature framework, right? It has so many support. You will get any issues, you'll get the support. So in that case, if you want to leverage a fully mature framework that has a highest community support, then you can choose Java. Also, if you want to build a big data apps where you have to process lots of data, more and more data, in that case, and also e-commerce solution, you have to consider Java. So at the end of the video, we learn it's not who wins or who is better. It's depending on your situation and your application requirement. You should consider using Java or Node.js. So I hope everyone likes this video. Please like the video. Thank you. We'll meet next time.